Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about the new join deal with Stampin' Up. So right now is sale-a-bration, July and August. We're in 2022 and there's always a great join deal with sale-a-bration. So this year is different. There's not an extra free stamp set or an extra few dollars. Now you get a free planner, and the planner is great, and I want to show it to you because sometimes the catalog, it's hard to see with just one picture what all is involved in this planner, and I haven't opened it yet, but the sheer packaging size is amazing, so I'm sure I'm gonna love it. So the Join Starter Kit is always great. It's $99 and free shipping. There is tax, but you get free shipping on that, and you can choose anything. In the past you had to choose like 3 stamp sets and 2 ink pads, that kind of thing. Anything, any current Stampin' Up product from the annual catalog or the July-December catalog, which is great because it has all those fall and holiday items, lots of good stuff in there. So you can choose any $99 worth of stuff, any $125 worth of stuff, but you're only going to pay $99 plus tax, and then it ships to you for free. And in that package also comes some other free things, like I think they give you a free Paper Pumpkin code so you can try Paper Pumpkin. They give you some catalogs and a bunch of business supplies in case you want to take it that way, but you don't have to. You can have this be your hobby, and you're just joining because you want the great discount. Now you get that discount right when you join. So if you have more, let's say you have more than $125 worth of stuff you want to buy, as we do, right? Our wish lists are long. So if you have more than that you want to purchase, you can get your discount right away and start using, once it's your starter kit arrives, you get your discount, and then you have that for a quarter, kind of like a trial run. You can see how you like it. And if you want to keep getting that discount, you want to keep being a demonstrator, then you do have to meet a quota. And you can call me and ask me all about that if you'd like to. But you don't have to. There are no forced purchases. Nothing gets shipped to you that you have to then ship back. It's just whatever you want to do. This is doing it your way. So you can just get that discount and keep it going as long as you want. You can decide to do a little business and maybe teach a little class, do a YouTube channel, whatever you like. So that's up to you, and I'm happy to help you with all of those little steps along the way. But I know right now what you're doing is you want to hear about the join deal. So like I said, the join deal is great. Any $125 worth of products from the annual catalog or both, you can mix and match from the annual catalog and the July to December mini catalog, and then $125 worth of stuff, but you're only going to pay $99, so you're getting $26 free and shipping free, and then you're going to get a discount trial run for the next quarter, so a definite 3 months, maybe more depending upon when you join, because it's the first full quarter after you join. So you're going to get that discount, and it's 20% to start, and then you can get more as time goes on depending upon you. Like if you want to be more business minded, you want to sell more, you want whatever, or maybe you just want to get that discount. We call it a hobby discount, and it's awesome. That's what I started at, and I was at that for 10 years or so, maybe more. Okay, so let me show you the planner, which is free if you join in July and August, and it's beautiful. So I'm going to flip my camera around so you can see my desk, and I realize now I should have cleaned this before I started this, but creativity is messy, right? Okay, so I am going to flip my camera. Okay, well, the flipping the camera thing didn't work, so I actually turned the video off, and I'm starting a new one with my camera in the right position. Okay, so like I said, the planner kit comes free during sale-a-bration when you join, and here is one box. Then it also came in, look at this, look how thick that is, like 1.5 inches. There's another almost 3/4. This is a big planner. Okay, so I wanted to show it to you because it's really good. It's a good planner from the pictures that I saw. Ooh, this is my favorite logo that they did. This was with the 30th anniversary, and they had a whole bunch of stuff in this at the convention, and we had bags, and all the signage was this, and the grid paper, and it was gorgeous. It's my favorite. And so this planner I already like just because I'm looking at it. Stampin' Up also has for demonstrators a keychain with this, and I have a mouse pad, and I have the bag from the convention. Love that the planner is also this pattern. Okay, so here's the outside. Really nice, wiped clean. It has a magnet, look at that. So a magnet closure. Move my little water bottle. So you've got some pockets. And this is that little silica gel, this little thing here. Okay, now this is your page, kind of keep it where you need it kind of a thing. also with that watercolor. Okay, so here are the pages. Now, this is for 2 years. Well, it's a year and a half because it has the rest of 2022, which is what we're in right now, but it also has 2023, all of 2023. So it's more than a year's worth of planner. Let me get my scissors. That nail's not cutting it. Now this is only available for new demonstrators. This is not going to be available for purchase. Demonstrators were able to pre-purchase it last month just so that we were able to show it. But if we didn't buy it by then, it's only now available for people who join. So it's a nice little exclusive perk. Let's see what we got. Okay, so the first few bits are going to be these. So you've got monthly focus pages. And here's like the 2022 parts. So we only have, you're joining, it's only good from July, and August is the join, so that's where they started, 2022 July. So you've got your whole month planned out, but then you've also got the days, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can have more detail. So here's like your overview, and then you've got, here's priorities and days. So here we've got August, monthly focus. This is good for my goals and what I need to do, a shopping list for my classes. So this can be a business planner, but also more. So then you've got, okay, that for the rest of this year and next year. Let me see what's after that. Because then, okay, so that was that, and then here's the end of that. Okay, now we have some ideas. So we've got some idea pages. We have our weekly breakdown pages. Now these are, if you want to put these in too, look at that. So you've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So you've got each day. So that can go in there also. So you can put those in. There's probably a ton of those because we've got 52 weeks. Yeah, tons of those. So pop those in where needed. So they didn't put them in between the weeks for you because maybe they figure some weeks you're going to need more than that, or more notes, or maybe you can save them. Monthly review is good for me for work stuff. Okay, so we got all that. So it's kind of got some businessy pages. Depends on you what you're going to use it for. Here are just some plain note pages. So if you need extra notes, and I like this little box here. Like, I'm a scrapper, so maybe I'll put some little inspirational lettering in there. Oh, look at these notes. That's pretty. So you've got some pretty note-taking area, and tons of those. Tons of note-keeping. Okay, and some list making. Tons of list. Oh, there's tons of those pages, like 52 of those. So you can fill this however you're going to use it. Because there's like a ton of each of those types of pages. So that's really fun. And then of course you've got these numbered pages. And so there's 12 months in a year, so you can use those for months if you like. But there's 2 of each. So you can do all kinds of stuff for that. Make this how you're going to do it. All right, now we've got stickers. Aren't they pretty? Look at those. Okay, you've got like for travel or birthdays, for important dates to remember. This is going to make your planner pretty. Arrows, all kinds of fun stuff. Okay, more stickers. Team meeting, order things, classes, events, on tour, on stage. Look how nice that is. So you've got some stickers. So this planner is really nice. I kind of wanted to compare it. I bought a planner once before. I wonder where it is. And I loved it. And this one is just like it. It wasn't from Stampin' Up, the one I bought before. Really nice. And I was told that these pages actually match some kind of planner company that, the rings. So if you need refills for like after 2023, you'll be able to do that. I don't know the company name though. I'll have to look that up at Office Depot or something like that. Okay, so obviously we'll put that aside. Now I don't know what this box was. I think it was just little notebooks. A little trio of notebooks that don't go in the planner. I love this. I'm gonna feel bad writing in it. Isn't that silly? Okay, so this is one of them. How pretty. And then a striped one. And then a dotted one. Love. So this is the free planner. It's called Making Plans Planner. That is going to come when you join during July and August 2022. So pretty, so big, really a nice planner. And I wanted to show that to you because just looking at it in that little picture, it's just hard to see, right? Where is it? Here. Let me show it to you in action. And really fun. Oh, there was a stamp. I forgot about that. Let me grab that. My goodness, I'm glad I opened up the catalog page because I completely forgot. It came with this too. And this also comes when you join, see? And I wanted to show it to you because it's really cute, and I put it right in my stamp pile with all of my stuff. I alphabetized it. But I really like it because it's good for your planner, but it's going to be good for other things too. Like you can send this for, you know, thank you. And so that's really fun. But this is also good for scrapbooks, so you can, like, you know, make little scrapbook pages like on this day. So I kind of thought this was good for scrapbooking. And then also, if you're a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, a lot of us sell our cards at little stores in town. This stamp right here, that copyright Stampin' Up! If you sell, I mean, if you give a card to someone for their birthday or something, you don't have to put the copyright stamp on there. But if you're selling a stamp card, we're supposed to put the copyright symbol on the back so that people know that that is a Stampin' Up! Image. Really small, just a little tiny thing at the back of the card is all you need to do. So that is right there. So if you decide you want to sell. So really fun little stamp set, really fun journaling date planner. Great. All right, that's it. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions about joining, any at all, feel free to contact me. I would love for you to join my team. And there's all kinds of fun online communities on Facebook and other online websites that you can chit chat with other demonstrators, take part in swaps, whatever you want. However, you know, you can put as much into it, or just chill at home and make some cards, and that's good too. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.